Today we are going to study about section formula. In section formula, if I have a line AB whose coordinates are known and then there lies a point P somewhere between it which is dividing it in any ratio, the ratio I have taken here as m:n, then what will be the coordinate of this point P? So I have taken here A as x1, y1, so this C will have its x value as x1 and this point P is x comma y, so D will have its x value as x. So this length I will get by subtracting, I will get x minus x1. And since this point B I have taken the coordinate as x2, y2, so this will be x2. So the length from D to E will become x2 minus x. And going by the same way, this PH and FG will be equal and FG will be coming as y minus y1 and PF will be coming as y2 minus y. Now for getting the coordinate of this point P, we can show these two triangles similar by angle. These two angles are equal by corresponding angles and these two are 90 degree. So I have written here directly that the two triangles are congruent. Now I can write the sides in proportion. So I can write AB by PB, which I have written here, then AH by PF, which I have written here, and then PH by PF, which I have written here. Now I will substitute the values here. So AP is M, PB is N, then this AH, which will be same as CD, x minus x1, and then PF will be here x2 minus x. PH, this value will be same as this, so y minus y1, and then PF is y2 minus 5. So these values put over here. Now I am taking these two, m by n equals to x minus x1 by x2 minus x. I have cross multiplied to get mx2 minus mx equals to nx minus nx1. Then I take this nx1 that side, so I get mx2 plus nx1 equals to this mx comes here, so plus mx plus nx. X taken common, so I get m plus n, and then this m plus n goes that side change, so I get x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So P x value will be this one, I will get it by this relationship. Then taking m by n equals to y minus y1 by y2 minus y. So I get here this part written cross multiplied and exactly solved in the same way as over here. And I get y as m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. So I know this value of y I can get by this relationship. So this I have written in a way by which you can remember the formula while writing. So I have taken point A and B as x1, y1, x2, y2, and there is a point P which is dividing it in the ratio m:n. So this m will get multiplied with the value on the other side, and this n will get multiplied with the value on the other side, not the closer one does not get multiplied. So that's what m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n. Same way here for y, I will get m by 2 plus n by 1 divided by m plus n. So this is your section formula. And then from that I get additional derivation, the same lines. Now this m is the midpoint of AB. So then the ratio will be 1:1. So m and n both will be 1 and 1. So I will get the midpoint by putting m and n as 1 and 1 in both the place as x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is your midpoint formula. Then another one I have to know is if I have a triangle ABC, AD, PE and CF, if they are the medians, then G becomes the centroid. So how to get the coordinate of centroid? Remember this, that the centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. So using that and getting the midpoint of CD, the formula ultimately comes as centroid is denoted as G, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Thank you.